ever wonder where is Kyle and what he's doing, he's always looking for helmets everywhere he goes. Everywhere. Hey everybody, I'm Mitch.
I'm Kyle.
And we're here with, of course, Janus Motorcycles. Working here, representing, we're going to be showing off some motorcycles. We do have 2 bikes in the show here at the Biltwell Parts Labor Expo. We're in Del Mar, California, and if you didn't know about it, make sure you put it on your calendar. It's every January, probably in the middle of the month. So 2 bikes on display in the booth, 2 bikes out in the show. We have a Griffin 250 and a Halcyon 450 we're going to be showing everybody. We're just showing our bikes off. We're going to be talking about motorcycles and just meeting and greeting and hanging out. So lots of vendors, lots of people looking at motorcycles, buying motorcycle merchandise. So there's like helmets and gloves and all sorts of awesome t-shirts. So we're gonna be here looking at all that, selling some of our own.
If you don't know about Biltwell, come check it out. It's really awesome. They're a small company, you know, similar to us, but you know, they do helmets, awesome stuff. I personally might have a little bit of a collection.
A little bit of collection. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, just 5 in the booth.
Well, there's 1 behind the counter, and I've got at least 35 at home.
Okay.
But I don't have an issue.
We're gonna have an intervention. Yeah, no. Go ahead and support Biltwell.
Yeah.
They have awesome helmets. We do sell those off our website. You can also check them out on Biltwell's website as well. And yeah, if you don't have a cool retro helmet in your collection, go to Biltwell. They'll hook you up. If you need a cool retro motorcycle in your collection, call me. I'm Mitch McLean at Janus Motorcycles. We're setting up for the show, so you're not gonna see a ton of people right now, obviously. So here's a little sneak peek to tomorrow. Something Charlie would ride? Absolutely. Oh, look at that, it's a Janus. Sweet. How about that? We got a Harley. This is great paint. Look at this paint scheme. Kyle, what are we doing here today?
Some test rides.
Yes.
Viewpoint Brewing.
That's right. We're in Del Mar, California on this awesome cloudy day. It's actually kind of cold, but we're going to be running some test rides. We have 3 guys out right now, both on 2 450s and 1 Griffin. So we got the Halcyon 250 here still to show off. We're expecting a good crowd today, and the brewery here, they make probably the best beer in town. They make the best food in town, and we're happy to be here. Going to be hanging out with the owners. They're motorcycle guys, so really cool group. So Kyle from the Viewpoint Brewing Company here, he raced our Griffin at the Biltwell 100. Come on, baby. Let's go, Janus! Woo! And we got a great video on that on our YouTube channel. If you haven't checked that out, go try it. It's really cool when he does that hill climb. We had a great time at the Biltwell Parts Labor Expo. It was awesome, got to meet a lot of vendors. We also did a great time testing out bikes, letting people test ride our bikes over at Viewpoint Brewing Company. Kyle hooked us up over there, not this Kyle, the other Kyle. And we just had a blast, getting lots of people in front of bikes, people who've never heard of us before, test riding bikes. People have been wanting to test ride our bikes but haven't been able to. It was a great opportunity to meet them and meet our future Janus customers, so it was really cool. Right now I'm headed to the airport and got to do a little bit of scenic riding yesterday. It was a good time. So hopefully you got some footage of that. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the airport today, and Kyle's gonna drive back to Indiana. Woo!
Yeah, thanks to all the owners that came out to the demo ride, let us use their bike, and yeah, just thanks to everybody who came out. It was a really good time. We'd love to do it again.
Yep. We also want to thank Biltwell. They were awesome, putting on a great show at the expo. Kyle bought how many helmets?
9 helmets.
9 helmets. He has a problem. That's a collector's problem there. So, anyways, we love you guys, and we'll see you at the next show.
Adios.